Hello friends and students, welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. In this video, we are going to prove the sine rule in triangle ABC. The sine rule states that A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C is equal to 2R, where R is circumradius of triangle ABC with usual notations. So, we shall prove the sine rule in triangle ABC. Prove sine rule. Consider a triangle ABC. Capital ABC denote the angle and the side opposite to A we denote by small a. The side opposite to the angle B we denote small b, and the side opposite to the angle C we denote by small c. Therefore, small ABC and capital ABC are the element of the triangle ABC. Now, draw a segment AD perpendicular to the side BC. It is segment AD perpendicular to the side BC. Therefore, it forms two right angle triangle. One right angle triangle is ABD, another is ADC. In right angle triangle ADC, sine of C is equal to AD upon AC is equal to AD is equal to as it is and AC is equal to B. Therefore, AD is equal to B sine C. Now, area of triangle ABC, we denote it is capital A. It is equal to 1/2 base into height. Therefore, A is equal to 1/2. Base is BC and height is AD is equal to 1/2. BC is A, AD B sine C. Therefore, we multiply 2, so 2A is equal to AB sine C. Similarly, we can prove that twice of the area is equal to AC sine B. Twice of the area is equal to BC sine A. Therefore, BC sine A is equal to AC sine B is equal to AB sine C. Dividing by A into B into C throughout the equation. Therefore, BC sine A upon ABC, AC sine B upon ABC, AB sine C upon ABC. Cancelling the factor BC, AC, AB, we get sine A upon A, sine B upon B, sine C upon C. Therefore, we can write A upon sine A B upon sin B is equal to C upon sin C. This is result number 1. Now we shall prove each ratio is equal to 2 times R, where R is the circumradius of the triangle ABC. Since sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree, at least one angle is not right angle. Suppose A is not right angle. So we consider A as a acute angle or not right angle. Therefore, let a diameter from A meets the circle in point P. This is the point P. Therefore, the triangle APC is a right angle triangle. The angles ABC and angle APC are inscribed in same arc. Therefore, measure of angle ABC is equal to measure of angle APC, and AP is equal to 2 times R, the diameter of a circle. Therefore, sine of B is equal to sine of P is equal to B upon 2 times R. Therefore, sine of B is equal to B upon 2 times R. Therefore, B upon sine B is equal to 2R. This is number 2. From first and second, we get A upon sine A, B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C is equal to 2R. Therefore, the each ratio is equal to 2R, where R is circumradius of the triangle ABC. In this way, we proved the sine rule in triangle ABC.